Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this complimentary card here. Yes, I'm going to show you how I printed it and how I did the finishing. All right, so we are starting from the printing. Okay, so here is the printing going on. So I used this DI machine to print. Now the printing was done front and back, and I used two separate paper to do the printing. So I'm using a card, an art card here to do the printing. So I printed with two separate papers, the front on a separate paper and then the back on a separate paper. All right, so after the printing, then I went ahead to gum the two paper together. So I'm going to show you that. But then please, if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, just go ahead and hit that subscription button. All right, so I'm going to be using this Iwofe gum. They call it shoemaker gum. That is this brown gum. So that is what I use. You can see me joining it together. So you just make sure you rub the gum on the both side, and then you gum it just the way I am doing here. You can see that. So you make sure you join it together. So this is the process. Let everything be equal so that both the front and the back is going to come out well. So like I was saying, if you have not subscribed to the channel, just go ahead and subscribe, and please don't forget to like the video and also share it so that anyone looking for information like this can get it. Okay, so after this, the next thing is to do the lamination. So you can see doing the lamination, I actually did I used star, that is what we call it, star laminating film. That is what I used to do this lamination. That is what gives this complimentary card that shiny glittering effect. Okay, so I'm through with the lamination. You can see that. Now the next thing is to die cut. Okay, so to die cut, you actually need a die cutting machine. So you can see what I'm doing. So you actually need a die cutting machine to do the cutting. Okay, so you just place it and then cut it out like this. Now after die cutting, you see that the complimentary card is looking very neat. You can use a scissors to do this cutting, but you won't be able to get this nice looking, like the neatness of the cutting. The neatness is good, and you can see those edges. You can see how curvy those edges are. Okay, so that is it. This is how I printed and did the finishing of this complimentary card. I hope you find this video interesting. If this video really helped you, I would like you to like the video, and don't forget to leave your comment if there is any question you want to ask, if there is anything you didn't understand. All right, okay, thank you for watching, and then see you in my next video. Bye.